Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect MetaMask to Remix IDE. First, open the Remix IDE in your web browser. It's crucial that your MetaMask wallet is already installed and unlocked, ready for use. Next, locate and click on the Deploy and Run Transactions plugin, which is typically found on the left-hand sidebar. This is the essential first step to bridge your development environment with your blockchain wallet. Now, let's configure the Remix environment. Within the Deploy and Run Transactions plugin, you'll see an Environment drop-down menu. Click on it and choose Injected Provider MetaMask. Immediately, your MetaMask wallet will pop up, asking for permission to connect to Remix. Carefully review the details and then approve this connection request. This action links your Remix session directly to your active MetaMask account. With MetaMask connected, you are ready to deploy a smart contract. In the Deploy and Run Transactions plugin under the Contract dropdown, select the specific contract you want to deploy. After selecting, click the Deploy button. Your MetaMask wallet will again prompt you to confirm the transaction, showing the gas fees. Review these details carefully and then confirm the transaction to send your contract to the blockchain. Once deployed, your contract will be listed under the Deployed Contracts section in Remix. You can now interact with it directly. Expand the contract to see its available functions. Input any necessary parameters and click the corresponding buttons to execute functions, sending transactions through MetaMask. You'll see the transaction results and any changes to your contract state reflected in the Remix console, providing immediate feedback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.